name is Siuffo, and today we're going to talk about spur gears. Spur gears are the most common type of gears used in industrial machines, from cars to household appliances. It consists of a cylinder or a disc with straight teeth. They are mounted parallel to the axis of rotation. These gears can be mashed together to form a gear system. Advantage of the spur gear. They are very efficient on the high speed and variable torque conditions. They are very reliable and easy to stop. Spur gears operate with a constant velocity ratio, and unlike belt drives, they don't slip. Disadvantage of a spur gear. They have a limited extent of distance, so the system must be mashed together for another gear. They produce a lot of noise caused by metal-to-metal contact. Gear teeth offer a large amount of stress when operating at high speeds. Application of a spur gear. Spur gears have a wide range of application. They are often used in rolling mills, washing machines, and pumps. Rolling. Rolling is a metal forming process used to reduce the thickness of a metal by passing it between rolls. There are different rolling processes in manufacturing, and many of them rely on spur gears to function. For example, in a rolling mill, spur gears can be used to change the position of the spindle and to adjust the desired speed or torque. In this case, the driving gear, the gear twisted by hand or motor, is smaller than the driven gear, which will increase the torque and decrease the speed. The idea is to reduce the amount of force required to turn and adjust the spindle. Gear selection for rolling mills. Cast iron can be used in this application because it's relatively inexpensive, rust resistant, and easy to mold. The size of the gear depends on the amount of torque and speed required to roll the selected material. For example, the gear ratio for a small spur gear is around 4:1, meaning that the angular velocity of the input is 4 times larger than the output gear.
My name is Alsenawi. So spur gears can be found in washing machines. A washing machine is a machine that is used to wash laundry, some of which are clothes, some are bed sheets. There are many types of washing machines. The basic ones can just agitate the laundry in water, and the advanced ones can do everything from fill, empty water to wash and spinning. A gearbox is used inside the washing machine to transfer energy from the motor to the pulley. When the motor spins, the pulley, when the motor spins in one direction, the gearbox drives the agitator. When it spins the other way around, the gearbox will lock the agitator with the basket and spins them together. In this figure, you can see the spur gear and a link with a link attached to it. When the gear spins, it turns another pie-shaped gear back and forth, and the pie-shaped gear then turns the smaller gear into the shaft, which leads to the spline. There are also other gears in the gearbox that provides a gear reduction, which slows down the rotational speed.
My name is Abdullah. I'm going to be talking about external gear pumps. Gear pumps are commonly used for pumping fluids such as lubrication pumps and oil engine pumps. Shapes and sizes of the gears used in pumps affect the speed and pressure of the flow rate. One type of gears used in pumps is spur gears. They roughly operate a speed of 3,500 RPM with a 20 kilopascal pressure of flow rate. Operation. Spur gears in pump can come with a single or 2 sets of gears. In case a pump contains double spur gears, one of the gears is the driving gear, where it's rotated by a shaft that's connected to a motor, and the other gear is the driven, which is rotated by the other driving gear. Spur gears are positive displacements only, which means they move against each other, allowing the fluids to travel inside the pump, as we can see in this figure here. The rotating mechanism of the gears creates suction at the inlet of the pump. As you can see in this figure, as the flow goes in, the liquid goes between the gear and the walls of the pump.